Hey, good morning, everybody. It's about 5 a.m. here. Getting kind of sleepy, so probably about to catch a nap real quick. Um, this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to give a quick update as to kind of what happened over the weekend. If you read my posts in the community section of YouTube, you may be aware of what happened. But for those that don't, I know I had promised some content over the weekend, and then also to get started on some other tutorials today. But Friday night into Saturday, um, my household got sick with the flu. So thankfully, it seemed to skip me over. But because everybody else was sick, I kind of had to play errand boy and take care of everybody and get them whatever they needed. So um, haven't had a lot of time to sit down and put content together to be able to put it out. But in my downtime that I have had, I have basically finished up the marketplace tutorial. Um, so I just need to. Well, I've let me backtrack. I've finished building the marketplace. I need to create the tutorial. So I'm going to do that after I get some sleep. I'll come back and do that in just a little bit. Um, but I think it'll be helpful to some of you. Some of the things that I iron out in the final couple of tutorials for that app, and then we can start working on the other apps. But in any case, I think one of the big things for probably the marketplace app would be ship engine and calculating shipping costs and things like that. Originally, I had planned on using the Firebase extensions to do that, but then I decided I just wanted to use the ship engine API itself because I feel like, I mean, using extensions through Firebase is great, but it's kind of cheating, and it doesn't exactly teach you what to do. And I guess to some degree it has some limitations too. So having control over the API is a lot better way to do it, and it also might help some folks learn how to do API calls. So, but anyway, I'm not going to go into detail right now because I really need to get some sleep. But I just wanted to pull this up. This is the API call for getting a shipping rate between two addresses using Ship Engine. There's a lot of information in here. It's packed with information, but it's great. It works really well. So I think you'll enjoy that and seeing how all of that comes together. All right, so that's it. I'll record the other tutorials, or two or three, however many I want to do, to finish up the marketplace app, and then we'll move on to the other apps. But thanks for hanging in there, and I apologize for the little delay this weekend. All right, we'll talk to you later.